In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text fit in a cell or column in Google Sheets. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Let's open a spreadsheet from here. This is the spreadsheet that I've taken as an example. You can see that the contents of column B are overflowing into the other columns. Suppose we want to fit the contents into column B. Normally, we can just stretch the column to fit the text, but suppose you need to keep the column in the same shape. To do this, select the whole column by clicking on the column header. In the menu bar, click on the Text Wrapping option. In the drop-down menu, select the middle icon, which represents Wrap. Here, you can see that the text is now wrapped into a single column. This can be pretty helpful while working with long text contents. Following these steps, you can make text fit into a cell or column easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.